So with the batting, the most important thing to know is to get the right batting, because you can get the wrong one. So when you're at the craft store, touch the batting and make sure you get the right one. But you should be able to peel it apart. It should be able to peel into layers, because this way it adheres to itself, and then you don't have to worry so much about getting it to stay. So make sure you get the right one. I like to cut it into strips, but you can also use it in chunks, whatever suits your fancy.
Gorgon Bone is saying, greatly appreciating these techniques to give the skeleton the proper structure. I'd wonder how you would make the legs look right with the necessary joints like the knee and elbow.
And a really common one is just to use the armature for the spine, and then to do wire. Then that's a really common fix. But I really like this way, and it works really great for me. So, okay, so this isn't very thick. I'm gonna go with the thicker one. So you can cut it in thicker and thinner sections. You want to bulk it up first, and then worry about it looking nice, because it takes a fair amount of batting, especially with this guy. He's going to be pretty big. But the main important part is to peel it, because then it will adhere to itself. This is actually too, I should have cut down the middle. That's okay. So this one's actually pretty thin. I actually have a thicker one at home too, so I might not peel this one, because I think this is going to stick really well to itself. But at home I have one that's double this thickness, and so when I peel it, I get it to this layer. I get it to this thinness. But since this one is already this thinness, I don't think I'm going to have to worry about it. I think it'll just stick right to itself.
Hey Curious Mondo fans, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out the other videos in the channel for some fabulous tips, techniques, and interviews with artists.